Do you know that there's a real-life Pokemon living at the bottom of the ocean? Meet the leaf sheep, or kuroshimae. It's a rare sea slug that looks like a tiny, blushing cartoon lamb. But here's its secret. It's solar-powered. It is one of the only animals on Earth that can perform photosynthesis. When it eats algae, it steals the chloroplasts and stores them in its body to turn sunlight into pure energy. It's barely the size of a grain of rice, but it's a biological marvel found in the waters near Japan and Indonesia. For more incredible nature finds, like and subscribe.